To begin making your own designs, please open Context-Free Design Grammar and go File, New. At the very start of your instructions, you need to have the word Start Shape, followed by the name of your shape, and I'm calling mine Basic, and it's all in capitals. The next step is to tell the program what the shape is going to be. To do this, I use the keyword shape in lowercase, and then basic, which needs to match the start shape name. If it doesn't, the instructions won't do anything. Notice that we have an open and close curly bracket, and it's a great idea to, as soon as you open a bracket, close it, and then go back and type inside. Context-Free Design effectively has 3 shapes, and from those 3 shapes, we can get a really interesting array of designs. So the very first shape that you need to know is a square. And to create a square, all you do is you type the word square in capitals, and then you have a square bracket, open and close. What we can do is render a square, which, if we're honest, doesn't look all that interesting. The next shape that we have is a circle. To create a circle, you can simply type circle square brackets. And because we've got a black square with a black circle inside, we don't see anything. Happily, we can change the color of our circle. Please go ahead and put B1 inside the square brackets next to circle. When you say render, you'll notice we now have a white circle with a black square around it. B stands for brightness, and a brightness of 1 is essentially white. The third shape is a triangle, so put triangle with square brackets afterwards, and when we render that, you'll notice that we now have a square, circle, and triangle. It turns out that it's quite easy to apply color to our shapes. You'll notice on the right hand side there's a color calculator, and I'm just going to make my window slightly bigger so that we can see the color. And if I'm wanting red, I can move things on the color wheel to get the color I want. And this code right at the bottom is the code that will make things red. So if I go to my triangle, and inside the square brackets I paste that color code, then when I say render, of course the triangle is red. In the next video, I'll show you how to start to create some interesting designs using our context-free rules.